a multimedia haptic learning tool developed by the MCRLab at the University of Ottawa. The distinguishing features of the learning tool are as follows. First, the tool allows users to learn handwriting by means of force feedback to handwrite characters from the Arabic, French, English, Japanese, and Spanish languages. Theoretically, the system supports any language since it utilizes an XML-based schema to easily introduce characters from other languages. Second, the tool supports 3 modes of playback: haptic, video, and audio. The user can see, hear, and feel the stroke sequence, and can practice as many times as they want. Thirdly, in the learning tool, 3 haptic playback modes are supported: full, partial, or no guidance. The full guidance mode haptically guides the user to follow a pre-recorded trajectory, whereas in partial guidance, a user can freely follow the graphical representation of a character, but if he or she deviates significantly, the system will automatically bring them back to the optimal path. The no guidance mode gives users visual feedback only. Finally, the tool supports 2 modes of operation, a learning mode and a testing mode. In the learning mode, the users practice writing alphabetical characters using haptic, audio, video feedback. The testing mode evaluates the user's performance by comparing the graphical and force information with predefined normative patterns. Here is the typical setup for the learning tool. The user first selects the language they want to practice. They will then be presented with a set of characters for the chosen language. The user can select a character, enable the graphic and/or haptic playback, and choose the full guidance haptic playback mode. Here we see the graphic and haptic playback. The haptic device is guiding the user's hand through the stroke sequence to handwrite the corresponding character. Now, we look at the testing mode, where the system evaluates the student's performance. The user selects the testing mode, enters his or her name, and chooses the language to be tested with. The user is presented with a screen that simulates a virtual handwriting board. They will be asked to handwrite a number of characters, in this example, 5 characters. After writing a character, the user clicks Next to attempt each successive character until the test is over. The duration of the test is also recorded. At the end of the test, the user will be presented with their score for the test characters.